students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Students, today I will teach you topic division by a two-digit number where the divisor is a two-digit number. Then how to do the division in that case? Yes, so students, take your notebooks and pencils with you, and here we start. You can understand this topic with the help of the examples. For example, 89 divided by 11. Here 11 is the divisor and it is having two digits. Yes, so first of all, before doing the division, you must know the table of 11. So here I have written the table of 11. 11 zeros the 0, 11 ones the 11, 11 twos the 22, 11 threes the 33, 11 fours the 44, 11 fives the 55, 11 six the 66, 11 sevens the 77, 11 eights the 88, 11 nines the 99. Yes friends, as in my previous video, I have told you that how to do divisions, sums and which steps we should follow here. First is divide, second is multiply, third is subtract, fourth is bring down, and next is repeat. Division, multiply, subtract, bring down and repeat. Yes friends, now here we will use these steps to solve the sum. One thing that is very much important in these type of sums, that firstly you have to check the digits of the divisor. 11 is divisor. Here we will check the number of digits. Here two digits are there. From this number that is to be divided, we will take two digits. Means we will firstly divide 89 by 11. So our first step is divide 89 by 11. After that we have to do multiplication. For multiplication we will see the table of 11. And we will observe the table in such a way that we should write a number under 89 so that that can be subtracted. Now we will see the table of 11. Here you can see 99 is there, that cannot be written under 89 because we have to do subtraction here. We cannot write here 99. So before 99 the number is 88, so we will write here 88. And 88, how it has come? 11 eights the 88. Here we have done multiplication. 11 eights the 88. First step we have done division, means we have divided 89 by 11. Second step is of multiplication, that is 11 eights the 88. 11 multiply 8 is equal to 88. We have written here 88. Now what is the next step? That is subtract. So we will do subtraction. 89 minus 88. We will do this subtraction. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. And the 0 we will ignore. Yes, after that, next is bring down. Bring down means after 89, if there any more digit is there, we will write it with 1. But here you can see there is no digit after 89. So we cannot bring here down the digit. So here will be only 1. 1 is the remainder here, and here R means repeat. Here we cannot repeat because here is the no digit to bring down. Yes, so here what we got? 11. When we have divided 89 by 11, we got 8 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. Yes, now see one more example relating to this. 514 divided by 12. So here first of all, students, you must know the table of 12, as already I have given in homework. Hope you have learned this table. Yes, firstly we will write the table of 12. 12 zeros the 0, 12 ones the 12, 12 twos the 24, 12 threes the 36, 12 fours the 48, 12 fives the 60, 12 six the 72, 12 sevens the 84, 12 eights the 96, 12 nines the 108. So students, you can see here 514 divided by 12. Yes, now here 12 is having 2 digits, divisor is having 2 digits. So here from this number we will take the 2 digits to divide. Means here first step will be division. As we know already, we have to follow these steps. First is division. Here 51 will be divided by 12. Then second step is multiply. Now we will observe the table of 12 so that we can write any number under 51. Yes, so that it can be subtracted from it. Here you can see 60 cannot be written under 51. So we will write 48 under 51. So here we have written 48. 51 minus 48 because our next step is of subtraction. Yes, now here 1 minus 8 is not possible. So we will make here 11. And here what will left? 4. 11 minus 8, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. We will not write this 0. Yes, now division we have done, multiplication we have done. See how 12 4s the 48. This multiplication we have done. Yes, after that subtraction we have done. 51 minus 48 we got 3. Now what is the next step? That is bring down. What to bring down? Here is the 4. We will write this 4 downside. We will write this 4 downside with 3. Whatever you are getting after subtraction, you have to bring down the digit with that digit. Yes, now it has become 34. Now it has become 34. 3 has come from subtraction and 4 we have brought down. So it has become 34. Now next step is to repeat. Repeat means we have again to start division, multiply, subtraction. Yes, now 34 is there. Now 34 will be divided by 12. Division is there. 34 divided by 12. Yes, now we have to do multiply. For multiply we will observe the table of 12. Here under 34 what you can write those so that can be subtracted. 36 cannot be written. Yes, because 34 minus 36 is not possible. So we will write 24. 12 2s the 24. We have done multiplication now. 12 2s the 24. Yes, we have done multiplication. Then next is subtraction. Now 34 minus 24. 34 minus 24. 4 minus 4 0. 3 minus 2 1. What left here? 10. And you can see here nothing is there now to bring down. So 10 will be written as the remainder. 42 is the quotient and 10 is the remainder. Yes. Now see one more example relating to this, that is 158 divided by 11. Now firstly you must know the table of 11. Yes, 11 zeros the 0, 11 ones the 11, 11 twos the 22, 11 threes the 33, 11 fours the 44, 11 fives the 55, 11 six the 66, 11 sevens the 77, 11 eights the 88, 11 nines the 99. So here which steps we have to follow? Division, multiplication, subtraction, bring down and repeat. Yes, first is division. Now which numbers to be divided? Here you can see 2 digits here. So from here we will see 2 digits, that is 15. Now from the table of 11, what can be written under 15? You can see here only 11 is there, that can be written under 15. Yes, 11 ones the 11. This multiplication we have done. Firstly we have thought about division. 15 divided by 11. This first step we have done. Second is of multiplication. By observing the multiplication table of 11, we have seen that what to multiply. 11 ones the 11. Next step is of subtraction. Now 15 minus 11. 5 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 1, 0. This 0 we will ignore, we will not write. Yes, now subtraction has been done. Now next is bring down. Now 8 is there. This digit we will bring down. This we have got after subtraction, and this when we will bring down, then it will become 48. It will become 48. Now we have to divide 48 by 11. Next is to repeat now. Then what we will do? Firstly we will divide. Now 48 will be divided by 11. Then for multiplication we will observe the table of 11. What can be written under 48? What can be written? 44 can be written, because 55 cannot be written. We can write here 44. 11 fours the 44. Yes. Now next step is subtraction. 8 minus 4, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. Yes, you can see here. After that there is no any digit to bring down, so 14 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. 14 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. Yes friends, hope you are understanding this. Now see one more example relating to this. Here is 532 divided by 13. First of all, you must know the table of 13. So we will write the table of 13. 13 zeros the 0, 13 ones the 13, 13 twos the 26, 13 threes the 39, 13 fours the 52, 13 fives the 65, 13 six the 78, 13 sevens the 91, 13 eights the 104, and 13 nines the 117. Yes students, keep one thing in your mind, that always you must know the tables if you want to know the division. Yes. So here we have to write the table of 13. We have written this. Now what to do next? 532 is to be divided by 13. 532 is to be divided by 13. First of all, here are the two digits. We will take two digits from here. Means 53 we will divide by 13. First step is of division. In division what to do? 53 will be divided by 13. Yes. Now next step is of multiplication. For multiplication we will observe the table of 13. Yes, 53 is there. What we can write under 53 so that it can be subtracted? 65 cannot be written, so we will write 52. Yes, we will write 52. Now we have to do multiplication. This is 3 zeros the 0. 13 zeros the 0, 13 ones the 13, 13 twos the 26, 13 threes the 39, 13 fours the 52. Yes, now we will multiply. 13 fours the 52. Yes, the next step is of subtraction. We will do subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1, 5 minus 5, 0. This 0 we will ignore, we have only 1. Now next step, multiplication we have done, subtraction also we have done. Next is bring down. Now this 2 will be written downside. Yes, now 1 already we have got from subtraction, and 2 will be written with this 1, so that it has become 12. It has become 12. Yes, now after bring down, what we have to do? We have to repeat all these steps. First step is of division. Yes, now 12 will be divided by 13. Now 12 will be divided by 13. Then multiplication. See the table of 13. What can be written under 12? You can see here 13 cannot be written under 12. What can be written? 0 can be written. So we will multiply. 13 zeros the 0. 13 zeros the 0. Yes. Then next step is of subtraction. Now we will do subtraction. 2 here, 1 here. We have subtracted. Yes. Now next is after subtraction bring down. There is no any digit to bring it down. Yes. So that our sum will complete up to here only. Yes. We have got 12 after subtraction. So 40 is the quotient and 12 is the remainder. 40 is quotient and 12 is the remainder. Yes friends, see one more example relating to this, that is 900 divided by 12. So first of all you must know the table of 12. 12 zeros the 0, 12 ones the 12, 12 twos the 24, 12 threes the 36, 12 fours the 48, 12 fives the 60, 12 six the 72, 12 sevens the 84, 12 eights the 96, 12 nines the 108. Yes, we must know the table of 12. Yes, now here you can see in the divisor 2 digits are here, so we will divide 2 digit firstly. 90. that is 90. First step is of division. So in this step we will divide 90 by 12. Yes, in the division we will divide 90 by 12. Next is of multiplication. For multiplication we will observe the table of 12, so that what can be written under 90 to be subtracted. 96 cannot be written, so we can write 84 under the 90. Now 12 sevens the 84. 12 sevens the 84. Next step is of subtraction. After multiplication, next step is of subtraction. So now 90 minus 84, we will subtract this. 0 minus 4 is not possible, so we will make here 10 and here will be 8. 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 8, 0. This 0 we will ignore. Yes. Now next is, after subtraction, what to do? Bring down the next digit. Now next digit is 0. We will write it with 6. Now it has become 60. Now it has become 60. Now what to do? Last step is to repeat. Repeat, divide, multiply, subtract and bring down. Yes. Now firstly divide. Now 60 will be divided by 12. Yes. Then multiply. For multiplication we will observe the table of 12, so that what can be written under 60? 72 cannot be written under 60. Yes. Then what can be written? 60 can be written. Yes. 12 zeros the 0, 12 ones the 12, 12 twos the 24, 12 threes the 36, 12 fours the 48, 12 fives the 60. So here we will do multiplication. 12 fives the 60. 12 fives the 60. After multiplication, what to do? Subtract. Now subtraction will be there. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. We got here 0. Now next is bring down. There is no any digit, other digit to bring it down, so our sum will be completed here. So we got 75 as quotient and 0 as the remainder. Yes students, hope you have understood these sums. Do the sums relating to this video, so that you can get more perfection in these types of sum. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you so much.